Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Onn Roku TV. First, for minor issues like slow performance or a frozen application, a soft reset is your best friend. Simply grab your remote, navigate to the Settings menu, select System, then Power, and finally choose System Restart. Your TV will power down and restart automatically, often resolving small glitches without changing any of your saved preferences or data. If you need a more thorough solution, like preparing your TV for a new owner or fixing persistent software bugs, a factory reset is necessary. From the home screen, go to Settings, then scroll down to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings, and finally choose Factory Reset. Be sure to follow the on-screen prompts carefully to confirm your decision, as this action cannot be undone once initiated. If your TV is completely frozen and menus are inaccessible, use the physical reset button. First, unplug your Onn Roku TV. Locate the small recessed button, often on the back or side. Using a paperclip, press and hold it for about 12 to 15 seconds. While still holding, plug the TV back in and continue holding for 10 more seconds before releasing. This will trigger a full system reset, bringing it back to factory defaults. Once your Onn Roku TV has been reset, it will boot up just like a brand new television. You will be guided through the initial setup, which includes selecting your language, connecting to your home Wi-Fi network, and signing into your Roku account. Remember to re-download any streaming channels you previously enjoyed. While this process requires a few minutes, it ensures your TV is running optimally with a fresh start, ready for you to customize once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.